Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a BMW X5 engine. First, ensure your vehicle is on a stable lift or jack stands for safety. Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of the battery to prevent electrical issues. Next, drain all engine fluids, such as the engine oil and coolant, into appropriate containers. Finally, remove the hood and any engine covers to gain clear access to the engine bay components. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the engine's peripherals. Carefully detach the entire air intake system, including the air filter box and associated piping. Proceed to disconnect the exhaust manifold from the catalytic converters. Systematically label and disconnect all electrical connectors, sensors, and ground straps. Finally, remove the fuel lines, vacuum hoses, and all coolant hoses connected to the engine. With the peripherals disconnected, we'll focus on the engine's structural connections. Unbolt the engine mounts from the subframe, ensuring the engine is supported from below. Next, separate the transmission from the engine block, which often involves removing several bell housing bolts. Carefully remove the driveshaft and any remaining accessories or brackets that might impede engine removal. Double-check for any overlooked connections. For the final step, attach an engine hoist securely to the designated lifting points on the engine. Slowly and carefully begin to lift the engine, constantly checking for any remaining hoses, wires, or components that might still be attached. Guide the engine out of the engine bay with precision, ensuring it clears all surrounding structures. Once clear, lower it onto a stable engine stand. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.